guys, so this is our third day here and we are at Magic Word, Padre Island. So yeah, we're about to go down there on the beach. What's up?
We got some big waves today.
Yeah, they're like 6-foot waves.
Yeah, and I told them we have to take pictures before we go in the water because I want some my kids' pictures so we can hang up in the walls. I don't have any. And Jojo said, can we just take one? He's so ready to get in there, my little water boy. But yeah, we'll see you there.
How much?
So we are here at Padre Island. Look at his stomach. He said he got 6-pack going on. There's the food thing. They're ready to go in the water. We have to have a pep talk with Jojo because he likes to go all the way in, but the waves are really high this time, so can't be doing all that. Oh yeah, me and Sissy be matching. Oh Jojo, you gotta record us because we're matching. We're me and Sissy. We're matching.
Oh, look at that. You see that RV car?
We're matching.
You guys are matching. Y'all know I don't really get in the water. I have to just for the sake of it.
You ready? Look at that thing. Come on, Tom. Oh, it's cold over here. It's a lot colder. Hey, look, Jojo, Joseph. I think that guy caught a fish down there. Look at him. I don't know. All right, that's far enough. Oh, here comes the good one.
This one's cold, but we love it. Look at that German Shepherd. That's how our baby's gonna get big, big.
coming right for you, Joseph. Oh, wow, look at that one. Oh, man. Oh, smokes. Holy smokes. Ride the wave. The big one. Ride the wave, brother. Oh, snap. Oh, this is a big one. This is a big one. Ready to catch these waves? You ready to catch these waves, Tony? Let's go, run. Run. Well, how are y'all already over there? Alright, let's go. We got some real waves to catch. Here we go, here we go. Woo. This is gonna be a good one. Holy smokes. Everybody alright? Joseph, this side. Alright, Joseph, that's far enough. Joseph, this way. Holy smokes. I know that took you out, because that took you out. Huh? Going? Oh, this is gonna be a good one. Alright, Quinn. Stay back this way. Oh, there's a surfboard. Somebody just surfed that wave, bro. Alright, guys, get back here. Get back here. Come on. Alright, here we go, here we go, here we go. Really shallow like this, it's a good one. That might have got washed up on the beach. Dude, Tony just got driven out. Ride it, ride it, ride it. Here they come. Come on. Oh. Alright, Jojo, that's far enough. Dude, that was a big wave. Come on, back this way. Where are you? Keep going this way. Come on, Tony, this way. Joseph, quit going that way. Oh yeah, this one's gonna be nice. Whew. Oh, let's go out. Come on, we gotta hurry while the waves are down. A big one. Oh man. Oh, you alright?
What the heck, Jojo? Oh my god. Dang, Jojo, why would you put him so close to me? What the hell? Jojo, stop! Oh my god, Jojo. This child. So guys, we are done with the beach and we just out here chilling at the poolside because it's our last day and we're gonna try to chill, relax, get everything ready for us to go to Missouri. And yeah, that's it, our last day. So sad. Go. And here's the kiddos, poolside. All right, can't get enough of the water, I guess. Hey buddy, you okay? He can't swim that good. He's learning still. He's doing better and better. Yeah, you're doing better and better. Look at that child though. That second child though. He with the ish. My daughter over there, I don't know what she's doing. This one though, wow. This one though, he my baby. Hey guys, we're actually on our way home. Look at him. He's been doing so good driving. I'm so proud of him. The kids are chilling. Of course he's eating. But yeah, we're sad. We're leaving back home. We love Texas. But I'm excited to go back home and see my little doggy. Yep. We are almost to where?
Past Austin.
We passed Austin, so I'm guessing we're almost to Dallas. Not almost, but we're on our way to Dallas. So yep, that's it for right now. So we stopped at Denton for In-N-Out Burger.
It's our cousin's birthday.
Oh yeah, it's his cousin's birthday, Landon. So happy birthday to Landon. And we stopped at In-N-Out because, look y'all, In-N-Out is already better because they greeted us at the door. Whataburger, they didn't do that. They actually, Tony almost fell. I said lawsuit. But anyways, yeah, we in here because we gonna get some good shit before we get back home. Whataburger was a disappointment, so we had to get In-N-Out.
They only serve us water.
They only serve us water, though they didn't. But yeah.
You know what? They only serve us water burger.
And then I'll give my kids something to be entertained with, even though Tony's puzzle looks goofy as heck. Jojo's looks pretty good. A ver si es tuyo. Okay. Man, Tony. So, y'all can't tell me this is not better than Whataburger. And listen, he already halfway done with his. You are so mean.
Looks like mine too.
These kids are wild, but we're gonna dig in.